Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Indeed account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Indeed account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and at the search bar click over there and type in the address indeed.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Indeed like this. Now in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there's the sign in button available for us. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can log into your Indeed account with your email address, your Google account or your Apple account. If you click on either of these buttons, a login panel to your Google or Apple will open, and if you log into your respective account, you'll be logged into your Indeed account with these accounts. And with that being said guys, let's enter our email address for a manual login. And after entering your email address guys, click on continue, and on the next step you'll be required to enter the password of your Indeed account, and then you'll be logged into your Indeed account from over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to log into your Indeed account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.